holds his own head up, like, incredibly well. It's amazing. I give him a lot of practice with lifting his head. I just make sure I don't allow him to go too far with it.
Right.
Ready for your Sears portrait? You're like, no pictures, please, paparazzi. Did you get it?